This is L.C.D flex cable laminating machine. You can see this machine is already connected with air compressor. Now I simply introduce the function of this machine. This is temperature. It's 220 is already set it. No need to change to anything. This is power button, and this is pressure plug, and this is air pressure plug. This button is adjust this air pressure. The air pressure is between 120 to 180. For this, you can adjust. Like this. And for touch screen, everything is already set. You no need to change anything. Now we show you how to use. First, we put the ACF tape on the cable. Then we use knives cut down the extra ACF tape. This is solder area. We use this heating the ACF tape and let it laminate into the cable.
重新开，这样把它剪辑掉就好了嘛。